So here's the dead heads of once beautiful wild creatures. That's the gemsbok, the kudu. Up there's the warthog. That's the red hartebeest, the black wildebeest, the eland, and then this is the rhinos. This is the common dolphin, the chakma baboon. Chakma, that's an interesting story. I've got to tell you that a bit later today.
Baboon.
That's a Cape Mountain zebra, a mountain redbuck, a springbuck, a caracal, a spotted hyena, a bushbuck, and the Cape buffalo. Right, should we tell the story about Chakma?
Jack the Chakma baboon.
Jack the Chakma baboon. Taz can tell us. Go, Taz.
Well, just from what I remember, Ricky Gervais actually made him famous again. But he worked on the station, the railway station in Newtonegg, and Jack was trained. The station master at the time, I don't recall his name, maybe somebody can remind us, had a one-pegged leg, so he trained this baboon to help him signal and change the railway line tracks. And Jack was actually such an efficient railway worker, he actually got a salary. He was paid a salary every week, and I think he was paid in wine or food or something. But yeah, Jack the Chakma baboon, clever enough to railway signal and help change the lanes on the tracks in Newtonegg.
And there's now a dedicated,
I think his bust is in the Albany Museum in Grahamstown, which we're hoping to get to.
Okay.
And I know he's been made famous around the world by Ricky Gervais on something about the baboon that actually do change the signals on the actual tracks.
Thank Ricky. Ricky Gervais.
Yeah.
Shout out, big guy.
And look what she's doing. What is that?
Oh,
Jaw. Jaw.
We're allowed to hold it.
Oh, wow.
that's Ling.
Whoa.
Just check out the size of that.
Oh, it's real.
Jeez. We try to pick it up. Oh.
Oh,
That's just his head.
it's just his head.
Just his head.
No.
That's crazy. Oh look, it's got a little Cleopatra seat. Maybe you could lift it.
Don't sit on the elephant's head.
I'm just saying, it looks like a Cleopatra seat. You could carry us around.
Here's some nice sculptures. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come here, girls. Full life size. Go and stand underneath there. Give everybody perspective.
Oh.
Its toe is like the size of my forearm.
Yeah. And to think there's a warning that people shouldn't get out their cars.
That's a good news.
Really? So, Ling, behind you is a little skeleton here of a Dusty Rock
Rock
Hyrax. That's one of the relatives to this big giant right over here.
The elephant skeleton makes up about 16.5% of the elephant's total weight to support its heavy mass.
Come check this. This is a parabolic dish, which is how elephants communicate over long distances. So any sound directed at its center is focused and reflected to that. So I'm imagining, what do you experience? Hey, rolling stoners!
Try that again.
Hey, rolling stoners!
Hey, that's actually a pretty cool sound that happened.
Does it not come out this way, this side? Try.
No, it's so that it reflects
Back
back.
here. Hey, yo, hey, the rolling stoners don't like us. Just
So
follow.
Okay, do it, yeah? Do it, yeah?
So if you stand right here, you can, or
Can you hear
around
it?
it, you can hear the difference of how it always bounces back to that center bit.
Hey, rolling, wow. Hello, rolling stoners. Don't just like us. Don't just follow us. Don't just share us.
Hello.
Come roll with us and keep rolling. What happening?